students, I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today we are going to discuss our new chapter, that is our mineral resources. What is the chapter name? Our mineral resources. This is chapter number 11. Chapter number 11. So our mineral resources. What are minerals? Minerals are those substances which are found deep inside the earth's surface. Okay, minerals are those substances which are found deep inside the earth's surface. So substances found deep under the earth's surface are called minerals. We can say that minerals can be found in land, on oceans, under the earth's surface, or on the river beds. Okay, so we can't say कि all of the minerals we can found, all the minerals are found in natural form. Okay, some are found in impure form. All are not found in pure form. Some are found in impure form. We can say कि impure means unrefined. ठीक है, all are unrefined. जो भी impure हैं means they are unrefined. If we want to make them pure, we have to make those ores to the factories and then we have to melt that to make them pure metals. Okay, so what is ore? Ore is impure form of the material. Okay, या फिर impure form of the mineral. We can write here mineral की impure form, that is called an ore. And ores are melted in factories to obtain the pure metal. These are for impure or for ores only. Okay, and now what is the meaning of mining? कि ores हैं या जो minerals हैं, how they are extracted. So there is a process which is called mining. So what is mining? Mining is the process of digging out minerals from inside the earth. अर्थ को डिग करना एंड उनमें से क्या करना, मिनरल्स को टेक आउट करना, दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड माइनिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिगिंग आउट मिनरल्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड द अर्थ. देन नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम इनसाइड द अर्थ. व्हाट आर माइंस? वो निकाले कहां से जाते हैं, कहां से माइनिंग की जाती है. सो देयर इज अ प्लेस वी कैन सी माइंस, द डीप हॉल्स डग इनटू द अर्थ टू टेक आउट मिनरल्स. लाइक you have dug the earth, okay, and जितना आप उसको डग करते जाएंगे, जितना होल बनता जाएगा बड़ा नीचे मिनरल्स तक पहुंचने में, that will be called mine. Okay, they all will be known as mines. But what is mining? If you are taking it out, if you are taking out the minerals, that process is called mining. Okay, I hope these both things are clear to you all. Mines are those deep holes which are dug into the earth's surface, and mining, the process of taking out the minerals. Clear? Now, according to the our mineral resources are divided into two parts. According to composition, they are divided into two parts as two minerals. First is metallic minerals and second non-metallic minerals. As the name is telling कि metallic, okay, so obviously the minerals in which metals are found, or non-metallic in which metals are not found. Okay, so metallic minerals from which metals can be extracted, जहाँ जिनमें से metal हम extract कर सके, निकाल सके, so that is called, they are called metallic minerals. For example, iron, copper, gold, aluminium, etc. etc. This is not called etc. This is called etc. Now non-metallic minerals in which metals are not found. Can you find metal in coal, petroleum? No. You can find metal in those metallic minerals जिसमें से हमें iron, copper और gold मिलते हैं. These are known as metals. And coal, petroleum, mica, salt, limestone, these all are known as non-metallic minerals. Okay. I hope this topic is clear to you all. we are coming on a topic metallic minerals. Till now, we have discussed about what are minerals, what are the process of, we can see what is the process of mining, what are mines, and what are the types of minerals which are found in our country. So now we are going to discuss our first type of mineral, that is metallic minerals. Okay, here are names of some minerals and why they are used for, and here are some states where these minerals are found. Okay, it's better to take its screenshot once. Okay, so you can take its screenshot once. I hope you all have taken screenshot. It will be very beneficial to you all. It will be very useful. Now, mineral. First of all, iron. Iron is commonly used and widely used. It is used in so many works, we can say. Now, why is it used? It is used for making tools, utensils, machines, bridges, buildings, and railway engines. Here are some products or some things which are made by iron. Okay. Now here are some states where they are found. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. These are the states में we can say producer states, यहाँ पे ये produce होता है. So next is copper. Do you know that copper is the first metal which was used by the human being? It was the first metal. And copper is used for making electrical wires, tools, and utensils. Electrical wires use tools and utensils. And name some producing states. So name some producer states of copper. These are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Which are the producer states? These are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Then here is manganese. And manganese is used for making steel, glass, alloys. What is alloy? Alloy is a metal which is made by combining two or more metals at a time. Okay, so alloys. Making metal by combining two or more is called alloy. Now here are some producer states that produce manganese. Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha. These are some manganese producing states. Now here are aluminium. What is here? Aluminium. Do you know that aluminium is the ore of bauxite? Okay. We can say that bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Okay. When bauxite is refined, when it is in ore form or unrefined form, there is bauxite. But when it is separated, mean unrefined, when bauxite is taken out, then only aluminium gets left, and that is aluminium. And it is used for making aeroplanes, utensils. Now it is important कि aeroplanes किस मेटल के बने होते हैं? Aeroplanes are made up of which metal? That is aluminium. Aeroplanes, utensils, and other household items. What are household items? Which are used in houses. And some producing states. Aluminium producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Maharashtra. These are some aluminium producing states. Next is gold. It is an expensive metal. We know very well. Now, 1 gram. If you want to purchase 1 gram gold, then it is of more than 50,000. More than 50,000. It is very expensive, and it is used for making jewelry. Now, some states which are producing gold. These are Bihar, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Okay, we can say कि maximum of the gold is imported from the other countries. Why? Because there are a limited number of mines in our country. And we can say कि only 3 mines are there, which can be said कि yes, these are properly mines or mean जो इतना ज़्यादा produce करती हैं. Otherwise, there are only small mines. We can say कि only 3 mines are there mainly. They are in Bihar, Rajasthan and Karnataka. That's why India depends for gold on other country. Okay, our country imports gold from another country. So these were some metallic minerals. Now we'll discuss about unmetallic minerals या फिर non-metallic minerals. Okay, what are non-metallic minerals? Which minerals do not provide us metals. Okay, these are called non-metallic minerals. Now we are going to discuss about non-metallic minerals. Now here are unmetallic minerals, means from which metals are not extracted. We can't find metals from these. So first mineral is mica. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Okay, so mica, it is used in electrical goods, electrical things it is used. Which are the states where mica is found? Jharkhand, Bihar, Kerala, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Jharkhand, Bihar, Kerala, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. The next is limestone. Limestone is also an unmetallic mineral and it is used in making cement. Okay, घर बनाते हैं ना जिससे for making buildings, cement is used. So limestone is used for making cements. Where limestone is produced, these states are Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Telangana. These are states where limestone is produced. Now coal. Coal is used for generating heat, generating electricity, heating and cooking. Okay, it is used as fuel also. Coal is used as fuel, generating electricity, heating and cooking. Here are some states where it is produced. So, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. These are the main producer of coal. Next, petroleum. Petroleum, you know very well कि it is used in automobiles also and it is used for by refining. Unrefined petroleum is found under oil wells. Okay, oil wells which are dug from where oil is extracted. Okay, so it is used for making products like petrol, diesel, kerosene and cooking gas, and it is used for running automobiles and trains also. States where petroleum is produced, these are Assam, there is Digboi, Gujarat and Mumbai High. Mumbai High, where in Mumbai there is Mumbai High. We can say कि there is seabed from where oil or petroleum is extracted. Now next is natural gas. Natural gas is found along with the petroleum. Where petroleum is found, there only natural gas is also found with in oil wells or oil fields. Okay, oil well हो गए वो wells जहाँ से oil निकाला जाता है and oil field जहाँ पे वो oil wells बनाए जाते हैं. Okay, tap किए जाते हैं. That place is called oil fields. Natural gas is used as fuel in vehicles. कहता कि CNG. In today's lives we are filling CNG in our vehicles also. Yes, so there natural gas is used as fuel in vehicles. So this was your topic of unmetallic minerals. Now here is a question. Okay, we know that these are minerals, metallic or unmetallic. Now, how can we conserve them? How can we conserve unmetallic minerals? Because they take a long time, to form. Okay, because they take a long time to form. So it's our duty, it's a responsibility to make them wisely or in a planned manner. Okay, it should be planned earlier, that it should be planned, or how can we use that, how we have to use that, how can these minerals can be exchanged or interchanged with the metallic minerals. Okay, like this, coal, इन्हें यूज किया जाता है, पेट्रोलियम, पेट्रोल, instead of petrol we can use now natural gas in vehicles. Okay, so these are some steps. Because of that we can stop using foolishly, we can stop using these resources foolishly. Okay, so try to use these resources wisely, so that our generation also can get benefit from these, or can use this. Okay, so it's our duty to use them in a planned manner or use them wisely. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Here are some questions now which I am giving you. You have to write their answers in your notebook and then share it in the group. I hope you all will do. I want participation from all students, because I know, I believe that everyone can do all these things. Okay, so all the best, and I'm giving you some questions. So note down first question. First question is, what are minerals? What are minerals? Second question is, name two types of minerals. Name two types of minerals and write three examples of each type. Write 3 examples of each type. Third, where is aluminium used, or we can say, what is aluminium used for? What is aluminium used for? Question number 4. Write some uses of coal. Write some uses of coal, and the producer states where coal is produced. Its uses mean the uses of coal, and the producer, producing states which produce coal. So these are 4 questions. You have to write their answers in your class of notebook. If you are not getting me, if I am speaking rapidly, then you can pause the video and then you can note down the question and then you can continue the video. Now this is also very useful for you, so you can take a screenshot of this video, of this also, of unmetallic minerals. You can take screenshot. Okay, then it was your chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, or you can take your doubts in your class group. Okay, then see you. Take care. Have a nice day. All the best.